Now, Skater here is run into a massive issue. His blessed flight deck cannot brake. Therefore, his truck is broken from the base plate in a way that I've never seen. Now, we have been blessed to be born in a place with such a disgusting skate culture that this is acceptable. Now, we will be playing Ukrainian roulette with this here. Say that's good.
Yeah.
Look at it. Yeah, that's good. It's broken from the base plate. Like the two sides of the base plate are still there, but the middle just came out. Gotten this in here. I'll say that. That's good.
Yeah. First trick.
We holding up?
Barely. If I lift it up, it's probably gonna fall.
No, it's not. Trust. Yeah, that's on there.
Oh, man.
We're fine. All right, my turn.
Let's see how this thing kickflips.
Back into it. I don't think I seen a little bit of.
Ooh. Okay. All right. Kickflip.
Dude, I think. Hold up. Let's flip it over. I think I've seen one side of it come up.
Yeah.
Off. But
Yeah.
Mama raised me right, so I think we'll be okay. Rock fakie or rock and roll?
Rock fakie.
It's so loose. It's like. Yeah, part of it. All right.
I'm gonna heel flip.
Oh my. Yeah.
It's good. That felt solid. That felt really, really solid.
Yeah, I mean, it's not really coming up, I don't think. Well, I mean, it is, like, on the inside, but it's cast in there.
Yeah.
This is for our brothers in Ukraine. We love you. A switch flip.
Oh man. Oh man, this is breaking. Missed it.
The reason that you have gotten so good is because you are not afraid until a certain point. See, fear can be good. I have not gotten good because I've been constantly hurt throughout my skateboarding career. Oh, it doesn't even power slide. It's like loose and it's cup. It's in there. It's holding on. Okay, I'm not going to count that. I'll do an extra one. It's holding. I mean, wait, let's get a little damage before. No cuts. Alright, so this truck, see, right here, it's pretty tight. Now this one is the same tightness kingpin wise, but there's a little bit of wiggle room under the duct tape. It's like riding with no bushings, which everybody should do anyways. That's you can't fly if you never die. You can't fly high if you never die. There we go. It's a little dangerous. Oh my god, he's so weird. I think it's not. Oh no, we're good. Okay, so It's definitely, there's wiggle room in there the entire time. I like, look at this. That's a pretty tight truck, but like it's out. So like, let me just see. That's dangerous, especially when I was rolling in. But yeah. See the way it broke. Like that's steel, and he broke it on a flat tray.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we do it right out here. Look at that. Have you ever seen that? Oh my god. Yep. I'd say it's got a solid, like, elephant lifespan. Dude, duct tape is... Yeah.